Right, what about this wee Avis? I think it's a 70L. I think that just means waterproof or something. So there's a bit not. It's being flat bidding. It actually makes it a wee bit harder, to be honest with you. Well, for me it does anyway, I don't know. We'll give it a bite and see here. Pin 1. To push pin 1 way up there. That's in a wee turn of the quarter. I think that was pin 2. It's pin 3. Some fell. Pin 1, I think. Pin 1's right. Pin clicking pin 5 or something else fell there. Pin 3. Pin 1 fell again. Got the false back. 5, 4, 3. Back to pin 2 again. Got him sitting on, got the one. Nice enough wee padlock. Don't see too many I'm about like, but don't know why. I'd buy this before buying master anytime. Even with it, I'll try and give it a wee. I'll try and give it a wee rake or a wee something, just a flat bidding to see what the crack is with it. I don't think I'll be able to, like with all them spools. It has at least 4 spools in there. Got a wee false set there, like. No, doesn't rake. Bye, thanks for watching. Give us a wee like or a dislike, whatever you want. Thanks for watching.